Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you tired of all the clutter you have around your desk? This is a cable box organizer, but you don't have to use it for just cables. You can fit so many things in this fabulous tower, and it's going to keep you organized and things out of your way on your desk or on your counter or anywhere you need organization. So it's 3 different separate trays that stack together, and there's a very nice handle on the top of the cover, making it easy to lift. It has separators inside that you can remove. I love using this for my glasses, my reading glasses, and my sunglasses. I also love the fact that they've included a ton of cable wraps in this organizer, which means that you're going to be able to tie up your cables so easily. If you're using it for that, you are going to have those included, which is going to make it so simple for you. It's easy to clean and it's fabulous looking while it sits on your desk or wherever you want to put it. So if organization is important to you, but you don't want to compromise on style, I recommend this 3-tiered organization system for your desk. Whether you're using this for cables, for your sunglasses, for anything that collects on your desk or your work area or anywhere else, it's going to be safely stored away in a convenient location that you can grab whenever you need it, but it's going to look fabulous too. I love the color and the design of this organization system, and the fact that it has 3 roomy tiers makes it even more fabulous. And that is my point of view.